5 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, I am very much thankful to the office bearers of the Citizens Association for having given me a warm reception on my election as the chairman of the civic body of this city. It gives me great pleasure to take part in this function. In the first place, I would like to thank the people of this city for choosing me for this office. I would like to refer to the speech of the president of your association, in which he has stated that there are several needs to be met and that he will be meeting me after some time with those demands. At this juncture, I would like to say that as an old citizen of this area, I myself know the difficulties faced by the people. I would like to assure you that I know that it is my duty to fulfill the promises that I had made to you during the elections. It will be the aim of the civic body to implement all welfare schemes in order to promote the well being of the people. For this purpose, it is necessary to have cooperation from all quarters. I have no doubt that the government also will come forward to help us in our efforts. It may be out of place to point out that your forum has had a good record of achievements to its credit. So, I hope and trust that your expectations will be fulfilled. In this connection, I would like to bring to your attention that the financial position is not good. It is very necessary to tap each and every resource available. As you are aware, the State Finance Commission has submitted its report to the government and has pointed out the requirement of the civic bodies and the ways and means of meeting them. We may rest assured that we will be able to get our due share at the appropriate time. As some of the speakers have pointed out, the roads are now in bad shape. I would point out that it is not due to lack of maintenance but due to poor laying. The work could be done only with the available money. I am aware that black topping has not been done in some places where there are buses plying. It is necessary to look into this matter in the first instance. At the same time, I wish to point out that there are some mud roads which connect the surroundings villages. It is necessary to look after these roads immediately. As far as my team is concerned, I can only say that it will be possible for us to pay our attention to the immediate needs. So far as drinking water is concerned, the problem is very acute during summer. We will take into account the shortage points at our disposal and try to meet the situation as well as possible. I once again thank you and assure you a good administration. Letter from Thomas and Company, Salem, to Messrs. Hamid and Company, E Road. Dear sirs, we acknowledge with thanks the receipt of your letter of the third instant, along with your order for a consignment of flooring tiles. In this connection, we would like to assure you that the flooring tiles that we manufacture in our factory are of good quality and that there can be no room for any sort of complaint. We would be able to effect the supply before the date mentioned in your letter. However, we would like to tell you that it has been heavily raining here for the past 3 days. In spite of some problems, the production department is trying to cope with the demands as far as possible. If for any reason there is a delay of 2 or 3 days, we request you to bear with it. We also wish to inform you that 10% discount is allowed on all purchase if the payment is made within a week from the date of receipt of the consignment. We hope that you will be satisfied with the goods and we expect your payment as soon as they are received. Yours faithfully.